LegalZoom digital estate planning pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people think estate planning is expensive and intimidating, but the surprising truth is that LegalZoom makes digital estate planning affordable and simple. LegalZoom offers digital estate planning starting at for a basic will or trust. Comprehensive packages, including a living trust, powers of attorney, and healthcare directives, range from to. Subscribers can access document storage, online updates, and attorney consultation for an additional monthly fee. For example, a family can create a living trust online, designate beneficiaries, appoint a trustee, and set up healthcare directives all in a single platform. Step-by-step guidance ensures documents comply with state laws, and digital storage makes updates easy whenever circumstances change. Most people get this wrong by assuming estate planning isn't legally reliable. LegalZoom's forms are attorney-reviewed and state-compliant, providing a cost-effective alternative to hiring a full-time estate attorney. In conclusion, LegalZoom digital estate planning provides strong value. It's affordable, comprehensive, and user-friendly, helping individuals and families protect their assets and plan for the future with confidence.